Hello, Oracle Fusion BI developer. How do you modify an Oracle Fusion BI data model? This usually happens when you're fixing a defect or when an enhancement request comes up. Typically, this takes up more than half of your day-to-day work. We know how it is typically done. First, you log in. Navigate to the BI catalog, open the data model, copy the SQL, paste it into your editor, maybe Notepad++. You fix issues, test it, and repeat this multiple times. Finally, you copy the SQL back into the BI data model and run it again to test the entire report. Time-consuming, repetitive, inefficient. But what if you could skip most of these steps? CloudSQL Editor for Oracle Fusion comes with Fusion BI Direct Edit. With Direct Edit, everything becomes simpler. You can open the SQL directly from the BI data model inside CloudSQL. Browse through BI Catalog, find your data model, and select your SQL. Use the Rich SQL Editor and Advanced AI to fix queries faster. Modify and test instantly, and when you're done, save it back to the BI server with just a single click. That's just one of the many ways CloudSQL saves you valuable time. If you're working with Oracle Fusion, this is a game changer. Download CloudSQL for free today and run your first Oracle Fusion query in under 5 minutes. CloudSQL by DataFusing. Run SQL faster. Work smarter.